Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Techies Guru. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign up for TikTok or how to create a TikTok account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Play Store to install TikTok. Make sure that you have TikTok installed on your phone. For that, you open Play Store, go to the search bar, and on the search bar type TikTok. As you can see, I have already installed TikTok on my phone, but if you haven't, then you'll see the install option. After it has been installed, then you'll see the same options as mine. You tap on open and then your TikTok app will be opened. Now your home feed will open initially. If you go to the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a sign up option which will redirect you to this page. Now there are different options that you can use to sign up for TikTok. You can use your phone or your email, your Facebook account, your Google account, your Twitter account. So these are all the options that you can sign up with. If you simply tap on continue with Facebook, you'll have to log into your Facebook account and then link these two accounts. Same with Google and Twitter. However, if you want to use your phone or email, tap on the option and then you'll be requested to enter your phone number or your email. Let's continue with email. Enter your email address and then tap on the next button. After that, enter a password which is between 8 characters to 20 characters. It must consist of one letter, one number, and one special character. Only if you satisfied all the conditions that are given below, then you'll see that the next button is enabled. If you want to check the password that you've just set, you'll simply tap on the eye icon that appears beside the password section and then you'll be able to see your password. After that, you tap on next. Then you'll be required to set your birthday. After you've set your birthday, you simply tap on next. Then you'll be requested to enter a nickname which can be changed later if you do not like it. And if you skip this step, then a default name will be applied to you. Then you tap on confirm. After that, your TikTok account will be created. As you can see, my profile has been created and I have a username that is provided to me. I can upload videos now, I can like videos, I can save videos, and there are different features that are available to me once I created my TikTok account. And this is how you can also create your TikTok account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.